Okay. There we have the reptiles part. There are lots of reptiles and amphibians in there. Let's go. Oh, here we can see a snake, but I don't know what type it is. But let's go in there and see. We have a lizard up there. Over there we have an anaconda. Look! Whoa! What's in here? Dad, come here. Look, there's a big giant snake. That's a big yellow python. It's very big, and you can see it. It's just lying down there and sleeping.
Ủa rắn này sao nó không cử động mà?
Okay, it's sleeping. Here we have one more in there. And this is this place where the snakes go in the water and actually hibernate or something. I don't know. Big cobra in there too. I mean, there's also a big python in there too, and this is the other place. Wait. What's in here? This one's the biggest one so far. Look, it's so fat, just like it's eating a big human. Alright, let's see. There's nothing out here. Okay, what's in this place? What's this? Anything in there? Okay, film it and make sure to comment in the comment section if you can see anything in here, because I don't see anything. What's in this place? I don't see anything too. Let's continue. Damn, look at that. It's a giant one. That's the biggest one in this zoo, I think. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. Look at that. Okay. Let's move on. Look at that. That's a giant beast, all right. Python. That's a big yellow python too. That's a beast. Ooh, what's in here? Wow, it's a crocodile. Oh, this is a crocodile. I think this crocodile is sleeping underwater, but I'm not sure if it's an alligator because it's a small one and it's a bit brown, and look at its teeth. Its teeth is very large. Every crocodilians have their eye membrane, their tube pieces, so they can close and protect their eyes when they're fighting. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there are some iguanas here. They're pretty docile, and I think these ones are big. Okay, let's go. There's some iguanas in here too. Oh, they're giant! Look at that beast! Whoa! Oh, there's something in there. Can you see? Something funny in there. Kind of cool. It's very colorful. That one's very colorful. Next. Oh, that one's very nice too. Oh, wait. Oh. What's that? There's a little turtle in there. I really like those ones. They sleep in there. I already saw about 3 or 4 of them last time. Wow, look at that. I don't know what's on their faces, but it's very large. They have lots of spikes on them. So it's very cool. Another beast. It's very awesome. That's why I like this zoo so much. Okay, let's see what's in here. I cannot find anything. What is in there? Okay, leave a link in the comment section if you can spot anything in there. I can't see anything.
Gì đa nước nè.
Wait. That's a monitor lizard. It's bigger than I thought. I don't know what kind of monitor it is, but it's very big. See? Where? Oh yeah, there's a big turtle that it's burying itself underneath. Can you see? It's very noisy out here, so you need to focus. There's nothing in there. Nothing here. Wait. Those are some iguanas too. They're very big. There's a poop. There's a poop. Right there. It's eating and it's pooping at the same time. It's eating and pooping at the same time. What's in here? Nothing. Oh, those are monitor lizards, definitely. Can you see? Their claws. It's very sharp. You can slice your hand up very easily. If they bite you, they'll send you to the hospital. Their venom is very potent. Here is a much quieter spot, so it might be very easy. Much easier. Oh, this is the mother, I think. This is the baby. You see? They're similar, right? Down in the water, you can see some turtles. And actually these are tortoises. And they mostly spend their time on land, but now they're resting in the water so they can be calm. If they're on land for so long, they'll overheat. Turtles too. Look at that. There's an iguana right there. Oh wait, what's here? What's that? A big giant python. That's also a beast. We already seen two ones that are bigger than this one. That's a very big one, but it's not the biggest one I've seen here. Actually, they're eating vegetables right there. Okay, here, let's go. Oh wow, what kind of snake is it? Whoa, what's that? I think that's a, let's see, that's an eastern brown, I think. But that's a very big snake. It's very thin, and that one I think is very potent. You can see its tongue flicking out. See? Its tongue flicking out, and it seems like it's moving on a rock. And I think this is its den. Wow, it's crazy. Some other iguanas. Let's continue. This is the biggest python in the, no, not in the world, but in the zoo. I think it's bigger than the other one. Yeah. And look at that beast. It's a fact. Let's continue. I think there's nothing in here, but there might be something camouflage. Let's look closer. I bet they just put it like this and they don't put anything in it. Like they try to sneak us. To think that there's some animals in there, but there actually isn't. They're tricking us. Let's see. There must be something in here because I see a burrow. Definitely. I bet this is the cobra, but a cobra usually goes up on the trees and leaves. Oh, wait. What's in here? Nothing. Can you help spot me? Spot the animals? There's definitely something in these places, but oh, there's something definitely. It's in there. In the burrow. I can't see it closely, but I think it's a cobra. Yeah, a usual cobra. It may be a python, but the python's very little, so small. The other one, ones that we featured earlier were 10 times bigger, thousands of times bigger. Look at here. Wait, they're speaking something. Wait, let's go back. Where's the cobra?
Nơi đó là con rắn của mang chúa.
Con rắn đây này, bên đây con rắn này là nấp này em.
Oh, you can see the cobra there.
Rắn của mang chúa.
There definitely is a cobra in here. Let's find it. I think it's in its burrow because I see something light. Its eyes. Let's continue. Đây we always
Đây.
Đi cái gì để hạ phục với những cái bông này lắm.
Nay giờ dọ mẹ một phen. Đây tuôn nè. Đây tuôn nè. Mẹ cái xấu này giờ nó ra cái xấu. Bỏ tôi đi đâu rồi.
Last time I saw the cobra was right here. But let's see where it's at right now. There's definitely a cobra in here. It's so awesome. Where? Let's find the cobra. Come on, film. Let's find the burrow. Crocodiles. Let's go this way. Lead the way. Don't fit it too closely. Fine. Oh, that's a big one. This is a bigger one that we look closer. This is much bigger. I think this is about 4 feet. There's a giant cobra in here. It's too camouflaged to see. It's too camouflaged. It's too hard to see. Look. Can you look? I don't think it's in here. But actually, where? I think that's all for the reptiles. Yeah. We'll still film. Oh, wow.